Let me give you the number one piece of advice I give to home buyers, and almost no one listens to it the first time. Don't give your leverage away before you need to. I see buyers make this mistake every single week, and it costs them money, opportunities, or the house entirely. Let me explain exactly what I mean. Let's say you walk into a house that checks almost every box. The layout works, the location is right, you can see yourself living there. But during the showing, you notice something. The roof is clearly near the end of its life. Curled shingles, visible wear, nothing leaking today, but you know it's coming. The house is listed at $525,000, and this is where most buyers immediately go wrong. They say things like, let's offer less because the roof needs to be replaced, or let's ask for a credit right away to cover the roof. Now, sometimes that works. If the house has been sitting on the market for a long time, or if there's no competition, sure. But if the home is new on the market or priced right, that strategy often weakens your offer before you're even under contract. Most buyers don't realize what they're doing. They think they're being smart. In reality, they're giving away leverage too early. Here's the better way to handle it. Instead of negotiating the roof up front, you write a clean and competitive offer. No repair negotiations yet. But, and this is critical, you protect yourself with a strong inspection or due diligence period. That's your safety net. Once you're under contract, you bring in a professional home inspector. If needed, you bring in a roofing contractor. Now you're not guessing. You're getting real documentation, the actual condition, the remaining lifespan, the realistic replacement costs. This changes everything. At this point, the house is pending, the seller is emotionally and financially invested. Then, towards the end of your inspection period, you go back with facts, not opinions. You say, here's what the inspection shows. Here's what a licensed roofer says. Here's what this will realistically cost. Now, the leverage has shifted, because if the deal falls apart at this stage, the house goes back on the market as back on the market. That raises questions. Future buyers ask why. Agents ask what happens. The seller has to re-show, renegotiate, and repeat inspections. Most sellers want to avoid that. That's why buyers often have more negotiating power after inspections than before, if they know how to use it. If you're buying a home and you want a clear, no pressure strategy session, I offer short Zoom calls where I walk through your situation, your market, and how to protect your leverage. There's no sales pitch, just clarity. Check the link in the description and book a Zoom with me if that would be helpful. So here's the takeaway. It's very simple. Get the house under contract first. Protect yourself with inspections, then negotiate from a position of clarity. That single shift is the biggest difference I see between buyers who struggle and buyers who win, and it's completely avoidable once you understand how leverage actually works. If this helps you think differently about buying a home, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's house hunting right now. And if you want a real buyer reality check, the Zoom link is below. I'll talk to you soon.